Hello and welcome back to our responsive web design course on freeCodeCamp. This is step 10. It says while HTML defines the structure and content of a web page, CSS is used to add style, things like colors, fonts, spacing, and layout. Below the H3, you just add another paragraph element with the text. CSS is used to style a web page. So that is what I said in the previous video, that they're just going to have us add another paragraph right under, and we can do that here. So p tag and ending p tag, and then in here, I think that's what it said. Yep, no period. So if we run this, I'm sure we're going to pass it. And we do pass it. So I'm sure it's building up. We'll be learning CSS soon. But what you're learning from this, we still haven't even got into CSS. All we're doing right now is HTML. Anytime you're on a web page, what you're viewing is HTML and CSS put together. HTML represents the content and the structure of the web page, while CSS is what we use to style it, to give it different colors, size, font. All those things are CSS, and we'll be learning that soon. And just so you know what I'm talking about, I know I've done this in another video, but if we're to right click on something like step 10 and inspect it, we're going to see what step 10 is. It's an H1. It's the H1 of this page. So that's the main heading of this page is step 10. If we click on the paragraph here, we see it the P tag, paragraph. All these here are. So any web page you go on your browser, if you right click, inspect, you're going to see the structure of that web page. But then you're also going to see CSS, which is here on the bottom, which we haven't got to yet. But any web page you're on is made up of those things, HTML and CSS, unless you just have a page with no styling. In that case, it's going to look like this looks like now, just text, just content with certain structure depending on the tags that you give it, a heading, a paragraph, etc. For now, we focused on HTML. And as long as you're getting the different headings and the paragraph tag that we've went over, then you're understanding so far. And we'll keep learning more in the next lessons.